Two giants in health insurance, Cigna and Kaiser Permanente, go head-to-head. One big question: which is truly the best choice for you? On one side we have Cigna, global reach and a reputation for flexibility. On the other, Kaiser Permanente, renowned for its integrated care model and member satisfaction. Let's cut through the marketing noise and look at what really matters. We'll score each category so by the end you'll know exactly who leads the pack. And the final outcome might just surprise you. Here's what we're gonna cover. First up, premiums and costs. Then we're diving into network size and access, the overall care model, digital experience, preventive and wellness programs, and finally, member satisfaction. Buckle up, because some of these differences are way more interesting than you'd think. Alright, starting with premiums and costs. So Cigna offers those big national PPO and HMO options, pretty competitive, especially if you like a huge network. But honestly, watch out for those higher out-of-pocket costs in certain areas. Meanwhile, Kaiser comes in with generally lower premiums and those super predictable copays and out-of-pocket maxes. It's like what you see is what you get unless you try to go out-of-network, then let's just say you'll be paying. So for predictability and saving cash, Kaiser takes this round. Next up, network size and access. Cigna is huge, national and international coverage. If you're a traveler or just want options, this is exciting stuff, though there are some odd regional gaps, so it's like big but not perfect. Now, Kaiser is awesome if you happen to live in the right place with really integrated care facilities, but it literally only operates in select states. So no surprise, Cigna sweeps this one. Moving into care model. Cigna is your classic insurance. Pick your docs, pick your style. You get HMO, PPO, POS, you name it. The flip side, sometimes it feels a bit disconnected. Coordinating care can be a hassle. Kaiser, though, is super integrated. It's all connected, same electronic records, way less running around. The only catch, you gotta use Kaiser docs and clinics, but for most people that simplicity is a huge win. Kaiser definitely comes out ahead here. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. Kaiser Permanente was actually founded way back in 1945 to care for shipyard workers during World War II. Wild, right? Let's talk digital experience. Cigna's got good apps, friendly websites, and actually you get access to telehealth globally, not bad. Of course, their tech helpline can be hit or miss sometimes. Kaiser, though, their app is seriously top-rated and you can do your e-visits, manage prescriptions, all that stuff from your phone. Downside, it's really only great if you're seeing Kaiser docs. But overall, Kaiser's digital game is kind of hard to beat. On to preventive and wellness programs. Cigna's got some pretty robust wellness resources and mental health support, which is awesome, but it really varies depending on your employer plan. Kaiser just loads you up with comprehensive preventive programs and health coaching, and people seem to actually use these. It's just only for folks in their service areas, but still, the engagement is next level. Kaiser gets this one too. And last but not least, member satisfaction. Cigna does pretty well, gets above average marks, and has strong support across borders, but there are those usual headaches with prior authorizations. Kaiser, though, wow, literally tops the charts for satisfaction according to NCQA and J.D. Power. People rave about their simple processes and fast appointments. The catch? Less useful if you travel or move, but if you're in their area, it's tough to complain. Another win for Kaiser. So, let's zoom out and look at the bigger picture. Each of these plans scores high in different places, so it honestly comes down to what you value most. But looking at the numbers, Kaiser is taking the lead across more categories. Here's my take: if you need a big network, travel a lot, or want max freedom to choose docs pretty much anywhere, Cigna is the way to go. But if you want simplicity, everything in one place, and super high satisfaction in the regions Kaiser covers, it's honestly hard to beat what Kaiser's offering. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more, because I cover all the big health plan comparisons you care about. See you in the next one.